All right, this week we are working on division, and I'm going to show you how to divide 1,326 divided by 6. We will have no zeros in the quotient, which is our answer for this problem. And many of you used the shortcut method, which I'm going to show over here, and I had other people in my class that would often stack up, thinking about each place value, so I'm going to show it both ways as we go through, so you can choose whatever method works best for you in your thinking. So first of all, I'm going to be taking a look into my thousands. I know if I put a 1 here, that means I'm going to have 6,000 pieces, which I don't have, so that will not work. And then I'm going to look into my 1300s, or 1,300, and I know if I have 200 groups of that, I'll end up with 1,200. And I'll subtract that 1,200 away from it, because remember, division is making small groups, and I'm left with 126. So to follow that step on the shortcut method, it's simply looking into the 13 here. 6 times 2 is 12, and I'm left with 100, which we also see here. And in this case, with the shortcut method, you bring your 2 down here, your tens. So we still have 12 tens here, and we have 12 tens here. This one's just also including our ones, which this one is not yet. You'll see we still have a 2 here, as we do here, which they both represent the same number. This is standing for 200. Moving to my next step, I'll look and I'll see how many groups I can make to get into my 12 tens. And I know that 6 times 20 is 120. Or I can also look at it as 6 times 2 tens is 12 tens. When I subtract these on both sides, I'm still going to end up with 6 over here. And I am ending up with nothing here, but I have to bring my 6 ones down and deal with that. So now I can make one group. Oops, you guys can't see the bottom there. One group of 6 down here. Same with here. So on this side, we stack that up. And I end up with 6. My remainder is 0. And over here, I have 6. I end up with my remainder being 0. So my answer is not this stacked up this way, but my answer then ends up to be 221. And we see that over here as well. A reminder, you can use the inverse operation to help check your work if you need to.